and I built our business on open houses. In fact, there was one time our coach challenged us to do 25 open houses in 25 days. We couldn't even get through 7 open houses because we had started to generate so much business. Now, my coach, he told me something that was really fascinating one time, and it's always kind of stuck with me, is he said, have you ever met a person that did, 100 videos on social media or on YouTube and didn't get a new piece of business? I was like, yeah, I've done 100 videos. You know what I mean? You can do a lot of videos. You can do a lot of social media posts and not get a new client under contract. But have you ever met somebody that did 100 open houses and didn't get business? Impossible. Like, you would have to be actively repelling people to not do and get any business out of 100 open houses. So if open houses are not working for you, there are lots of resources around open house. In fact, I think on my YouTube channel, we have like 2 different videos on how to run a kickback open house and best practices within open houses. So there's no excuse on if you don't know how to do an open house. It's a sweat equity thing. I will tell you that doing open houses in the summer in Phoenix absolutely sucks.